Hey there, future Canadians! Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey to a land known for its stunning natural beauty and welcoming communities? Ever dreamed of breathtaking landscapes, friendly faces, and a life filled with opportunity? Imagine waking up to the sight of majestic mountains, serene lakes, and vibrant cities that offer a perfect blend of nature and urban life. Yeah, Canada's got that covered. With its rich cultural diversity and inclusive society, Canada is a place where everyone can feel at home no matter where they come from. From bustling cities like Toronto and Vancouver to peaceful suburbs and charming small towns, Canada's reputation for quality of life, healthcare, and education consistently attracts people from all walks of life. The country offers world-class healthcare services and top-notch educational institutions that ensure a bright future for you and your family. But getting there, well, that's a process. The journey to becoming a Canadian resident involves several steps, and it can seem overwhelming at first. Don't worry though, we're breaking it down, step by step, to make your Canadian dream a reality. Whether you're looking to move for work, study, or to start a new life, we've got you covered with all the information you need. This guide is your roadmap, your cheat sheet, your best friend in navigating the exciting and sometimes confusing world of Canadian immigration. We'll provide you with detailed instructions and insider tips to help you every step of the way. We'll cover everything from visa types to application tips, common mistakes to avoid, and even where to find extra help. Whether you're applying for a work visa, student visa, or permanent residency, we'll make sure you have all the tools and resources you need to succeed. So buckle up, grab your Tim Hortons, you'll learn to love it, and let's embark on this journey together. With a little preparation and the right guidance, you'll be well on your way to making Canada your new home. Let's get started on turning your Canadian dream into a reality. First things first, let's get acquainted with how Canada handles immigration. It's a vast and intricate system, but with a bit of guidance, it becomes much more manageable. The system might seem complex at first glance, but don't worry, it's all about finding the right path for you. Whether you're a skilled worker, a student, or someone looking to reunite with family, there's a pathway designed to fit your unique situation. At its core, Canada uses a points-based system, primarily through express entry, to assess eligibility. This system evaluates candidates based on a comprehensive set of criteria to ensure that the most qualified individuals are selected. Think of it like a game where you earn points based on factors like age, education, work experience, language skills, English or French, and adaptability. Each factor contributes to your overall score, and the higher your score, the better your chances of success. The higher your score, the better your chances of receiving an invitation to apply, ITA, for permanent residency. This invitation is a significant milestone in your immigration journey, bringing you one step closer to making Canada your new home. But express entry isn't the only way in. Canada offers a variety of other immigration programs, each tailored to different needs and qualifications. These programs ensure that everyone, from entrepreneurs to caregivers, has a fair chance to contribute to Canadian society. Canada offers various immigration programs, each tailored to different needs and qualifications. For instance, the Provincial Nominee Program, PNP, allows provinces and territories to nominate individuals who meet specific local labor market needs. There are also family sponsorship programs, student visas, and work permits, each with its own set of requirements and benefits. By understanding these options, you can find the best route to achieve your dream of living in Canada. Canada offers a whole buffet of visas, each catering to different situations. Whether you're a professional, an entrepreneur, a student, or someone looking to reunite with family, there's a visa designed just for you. Are you a skilled worker looking to contribute your talents? The Federal Skilled Worker Program might be your ticket. This program is designed for individuals with the skills, education, and work experience needed to contribute to the Canadian economy. It's a fantastic opportunity to bring your expertise to a new environment and grow your career. Dreaming of starting a business and creating jobs? The Startup Visa is calling your name. This visa is perfect for innovative entrepreneurs who have the potential to build businesses in Canada that are innovative, can create jobs for Canadians, and can compete on a global scale. Imagine the possibilities of launching your dream venture in a thriving market. Maybe you're looking to reunite with family already residing in Canada. Family sponsorship could be the answer. This program allows Canadian citizens and permanent residents to sponsor their relatives to come to Canada, It's a wonderful way to bring families together and build a new life in a welcoming country. And hey students, don't fret. Canada loves welcoming bright minds with open arms through its study permit programs. These permits allow international students to study at Canadian educational institutions, providing a world-class education and a multicultural experience. Plus, studying in Canada can open doors to future opportunities, including work permits and permanent residency. The key is to identify the visa that aligns best with your goals and circumstances. Whether you're aiming to advance your career, start a business, reunite with loved ones, or pursue an education, Canada has a pathway for you. Take the time to research and understand the requirements, and you'll be on your way to making your Canadian dream a reality. Before you dive headfirst into applications, it's crucial to check your eligibility. Each program has specific requirements, so make sure you tick all the boxes. This usually involves factors like age, education, work experience, language proficiency, proven through approved tests like IELTS or CELPIP, and proof of sufficient funds to support yourself and any accompanying family members during your initial months in Canada. Think of this stage as preparing for a very important job interview, one that could change your life. You'll need to gather a comprehensive set of documents to support your application. This typically includes your passport, valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended stay, language test results, educational and work experience certificates, police clearance certificates, proof of funds, and any other program-specific documents. Make sure everything is accurate, up-to-date, and translated into English or French, with certified translations if necessary. If you're eligible for express entry, creating a stellar profile is crucial. This is how you showcase your skills and experience to the Canadian government and potential employers. Be detailed, accurate, and highlight your strengths. Once your profile is live, you'll enter a pool of candidates, ranked based on the Comprehensive Ranking System, CRS. Regular draws are conducted, and if your score is high enough, you'll receive an ITA. Patience is a virtue, especially during the Canadian immigration process. After submitting your application, the waiting period can vary depending on the program and other factors. It's normal to feel a mix of excitement and anxiety during this time. While you wait, focus on what you can control. Keep your documents organized, stay informed about any updates or changes to immigration policies, and prepare for your new life in Canada. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Now what? Next steps after approval. Congratulations, you've received your visa. It's time to pop the champagne, or maple syrup if you're feeling extra Canadian. But the journey isn't over yet. You'll need to complete some post-landing formalities like confirming your address, applying for your social insurance number, your key to working in Canada, and exploring essential services like healthcare and banking. Even with the best intentions, mistakes can happen. One of the most common errors is providing incomplete or inaccurate information. Double-check everything. Another pitfall is not meeting the language proficiency requirements. Make sure you take the right tests and achieve the minimum scores. And remember, honesty is the best policy. Misrepresenting information can lead to application refusal and even bans. Resources and contacts for smooth sailing. Navigating the Canadian immigration system can feel overwhelming, but you don't have to go it alone. Canada offers several resources to help you through the process. The official website of Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada is your go-to source for information on programs, requirements, and application procedures. You can also seek assistance from authorized immigration consultants or lawyers. Remember, choose wisely, and ensure they are registered with the appropriate regulatory body. Immigrating to Canada is a life-changing decision. It requires careful planning, meticulous documentation, and a healthy dose of patience. But with the right information and a determined spirit, your Canadian dream can become a reality. So take that first step, explore your options, and embark on this incredible journey. Remember, Canada is known for its welcoming spirit and multicultural mosaic. Your unique skills, talents, and perspectives are valued here. Welcome to Canada.